See the problem, I have taken this data interpretation from the NTA UGC NET previous year's paper, and this is a little bit important type of data interpretation. So those students who are aspirants of the coming NET exam, that is June 2023, I think that this data interpretation will be helpful for those candidates. So please pay a little bit attention to understand the problem. See, a college has total 800 MCA students, 80% of whom are in class MCA 3 and remaining are equally divided between MCA 1 and MCA 2. Okay. The proportion of female students and proportion of vegetarian students in the college are indicated as under in the following table. What is the table given over there? See, MCA 1, MCA 2, MCA 3, female proportions 0.40, MCA 2 0.45, MCA 3 not given the data, that is proportion, and total is given over there 0.525. Come to the vegetarian part, that is MCA 1 proportion is not given over there, MCA 2 0.50, MCA 3 0.55 as total 0.53. What they have said, for example, in the table 0.525, that is 0.525 is the total proportion. I am changing a little bit total proportion of female students, and 0.53 is the total proportion of vegetarian student in the college. Okay, this much data is available. Now what is the question they are asking? What is the percentage of female students in class MCA 3? So 4 options are given over there. 40 is there, 45 is there, 50 is there, 55 is there. So first of all, you have to analyze the data and you have to make a chart for your own, so that any types of question they will ask you, you can easily reply from your fingertips. So how to analyze the data? Please look at the table, how I have analyzed this data. See, total candidate is the 800. Out of 800, 80% in the MCA 3. So total, out of total that 800, 80% means 640 student in the MCA 3. Remaining the will be equally divided between MCA 1 and MCA 2. So if the 800 into 80%, 640 will be in the MCA 3, so remaining will be 20%. That 20% will be equally divided, that is 10% for MCA 1 and 10% for the MCA 2. So 800 into 10%, that comes to 80. Okay. After that, see the female, this table is for the male and female. Female here MCA 1 0.40. So out of 80 into 0.40, that is 32 male. If 32 female. If 32 female, what is the number of male? So total 80 minus 32, that is 48. Just like this. Here see 0.45 MCA 2. So 80 into 0.45, that comes to 36 candidate female. If 36 female out of 80, then male will be 80 minus 36 is equal to 44. Here see the MCA 3, the female proportion is not given over there. So how I have done this? Total 800 is given over there into 0.525 female candidate, so that comes to 420 here the female candidate. So what is the male candidate? Total 800 minus 420, that is 380. And here MCA 3, how I have taken the figure? If total 420 minus 32 minus 36, that the 352. So this is the way that I have classified the data and analyzed the data. Okay. let's come to the veg and non-veg portion. See here MCA1, the proportion is not given over there. So total is 800, that we know total is 800. 80% will be the MCA3, remaining 10% for the MCA1 as well as for the MCA2, these parts will be there. And for the total vegetarian is 0.53. So total vegetarian 800 into 0.53, that comes to 424. Out of, see, total 80 into here the 0.50 and 0.55, so into 0.50 into 0.55, here the figure will be 352 and figure will be 40. So what will be MC1, that is not given over there, 424 minus 352 minus 40. So this is the way that I have calculated and taken down the exact information. So if you make the table like this, so any question they will ask, you can easily reply from your fingertips. See, what is the percentage of female students in MCA3? So see, MCA3, what is the female candidate? That is 352. Out of that 640. So 352, I am just changing the color to blue. 352 divided by 640, that comes to 55%. So 55% means the correct option will be option D. So unless it is not possible for you to analyze the data like this, it will be very, very difficult to you, because they will ask you very difficult types of question, different types of question. So better make an analysis of data so that you can reply to any of the question like this. Come to the next question. What is the percentage of vegetarian students in MCA1? See, MCA1 vegetarian student means 32. Total candidate is 80. So 32 divided by 80 into 100, that means to 40%. See, 40%, that means the answer A. So how your job will be most easy, more and more easy. So this is data interpretation, that how you are analyzing the data. Come to the next question. How many non-vegetarian students are there in MCA1 and MCA2? See, MCA1 non-vegetarian 48, MCA2 non-vegetarian 40. So 48 plus 40, that is the 88. See, 88 means option B, that is 88. So this is a tricky problem from data interpretation. I have taken this sum from the previous year's question paper. I think if you see carefully these types of analysis, it will help be more helpful to you.